We often hear that you have to choose two of the three, of faster, better, cheaper. What we found with mixed reality is that we can accomplish all three. Orion is the only spacecraft that can take humans into deep space. Mixed reality has the power of understanding the environment. On the Orion crew seat, we've used mixed reality so that the technicians know step by step how to build the seat for the astronauts. They have all of the data that they need hovering in place on the structure, and then also additional data hovering in space just above. So it's very quick for them to have access to what they need when they need it. In the 4 years that we've been using the technology, we haven't had an error occur on the shop floor while mixed reality was in use.